get what we give.
Hi guys, what is up and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday the 11th of January. This is actually my first vlog of 2019. Oh my god, look at that. I haven't vlogged since last year. Yeah. Anyway, today I actually have the day off work, which is super nice. So I'm going to start my morning by going to grab myself a coffee. I was going to get it takeaway, but I think I might actually just sit there and do some planning and just like ease into the day. I feel like that would be nice. I need to clean my room as always, but like I really do. I just want to declutter and organize everything for the new year. And then I also need to clean some of the house because my parents have been gone. We've kept it pretty tidy and clean, but I just need to do some like hoovering and tidy up the kitchen and whatnot. So yeah, that is the plan for today. It's just like a getting my life together kind of day. I have a very busy next couple weeks coming up, so I want to make sure that my room is tidy and organized and that I can be in a good mindset. Clean room equals a clean mind, my friends. It really does. So I've been home for a while now. I just made myself some lunch, and while I was drinking my coffee at the coffee shop, I did some planning for the upcoming month. Like I mentioned, I have a very busy couple weeks coming up, and that is mainly due to this. I enrolled for all my classes at uni, and unfortunately I have to do a summer class, which I'm not particularly excited about, but this is the only time they offer it. You can also opt to do it during the winter break, but that is in July, which is my mum's 60th. Yes, my mum is turning 60 this year. Can you guys believe it? And I also may be doing some traveling, so I decided to do it this month, which means 9 till 3, Monday to Friday uni for 2 weeks straight. I'm not too thrilled about it, I'll be honest, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So while I have some free time, I'm going to get some stuff done. This is like my little to-do list that I wrote for today. I've got my AirPods in, I just found a new podcast that I want to listen to, and we're about to get things done. So 45 minutes later and the house is all clean. I cleaned the whole entire kitchen and did some washing up, put some stuff away, tidied up the couch, I hoovered everywhere, so the floors are all clean. Hi Coco. Speaking of Coco, I went outside and cleaned up the dog poo, which is like my everyday job around the house. A minute after I finished doing it and Coco goes out there and poops. I'm over it. It's a lot of poop talk for one vlog, I'm sorry. But I am so annoyed at you. I am, even though you're so stinking cute. Hi Lily. Anytime I give Coco attention, this is what Lily does. She's a bully. You are. Okay, I get it. Yeah, my parents have been in Kangaroo Island this whole entire week, so they're coming home tonight, which would be really nice to see them. And then they're off again this Sunday to Melbourne, so see ya. Nick is on his way over. He just finished work. He's been working like 9 till 4 every day this week, so we're gonna hang out tonight. I was gonna clean my room as I mentioned at the beginning of this vlog, but I think I'm gonna do that. Wow, this lighting. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna save that task for tomorrow instead, and yeah, we can just like enjoy each other's company tonight. He should be here soon, but in the meantime I'm gonna do some reading. As I mentioned in my goals for 2019 video, I'm trying to read 25 books this year. This is the book I've been reading this week. It's Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine by Gail Honeyman. A lot of you guys gave me some really good book recommendations in the comments of my last video, so I'm excited to read some of those. But yeah, I'm like 3/4 of the way done. I should be done by the end of this week, and then we can move on to the next book.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me, and hold me in your arms again, flowers to me, flowers today,
Hi guys, so it is Monday now. I don't think I picked up the camera since Friday, but I had a good weekend. It was very relaxed. I went out Saturday night, didn't have work at all this weekend, so that was super nice. And now it is Monday. It's like 1:30, so I just made myself a smoothie. I tried something a little different today. I've done this a couple times and I really like it. I just feel like I need to get my ratios right. I haven't tried it yet, so. She's thick, but she's good. It doesn't look super appetizing, I'll be honest, but I get a lot of questions about my smoothies. I nearly always do a banana, almond milk, and frozen berry smoothie. It's like my go-to. But today I felt like something a little bit more hearty, even though it's like 36 degrees outside, and a banana berry smoothie would probably be perfect. But yeah, I felt like something a little bit more substantial. So I used almond milk, a banana, peanut butter. We don't have any natural peanut butter at the moment, so I just use this one. Some dates, which like make it super sweet and kind of like caramelly. And then some oats. And voila, we have this super thick, very filling smoothie, which is gonna be like my little lunch for today. I've been up since about 7:30 and I went for breakfast this morning with my friend Nikki, which was so nice. We went to Cream at Jetty Road Brighton, which is like the best. They have really good coffee as well. And now, yeah, I've been home for a while. I've just been replying to some emails, getting my life together because next week I have uni. I had to get a different straw for my smoothie because I made it a little too thick, but I've come outside because it is such a beautiful day. It's a little hot, but there is a nice breeze. And I think I'm just gonna sit here and finish reading my book, which I'm nearly done with. Living my best life. And now comes the part that I've been putting off for far too long. It is time to tackle this room, which I'm pretty sure since that last time I showed you has gotten even messier. That's just the reality of life. I went out Saturday night, had a little clothes change, you know how it is. And yeah, now I'm going to clean and declutter and organize this whole entire room. I think I'm gonna start with my wardrobes, which actually aren't, oh wait, I spoke too soon. I was gonna say they're not that unorganized. This shelf isn't too bad. This shelf is all good. This could be reorganized. Could probably go through those drawers. And then on this side, I just have a lot of clothes, half of which I don't even wear. Before I do anything, I'm actually gonna make my bed because I feel like this makes such a big difference to a room and I need some kind of motivation. Let's do this. The finished product. It is looking so much better already. It is so much cleaner and more organized. I am so happy. I'm feeling so cleansed right now. My mind, my body, my soul. And I'm just ready to tackle 2019. This is the next day, by the way, if you guys couldn't already tell. I had to finish up this morning. So hello from today. I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys.